Hello, in today's episode we are exploring the rich flavors of traditional Mexican dishes with this delicious chicken and refried bean sopes. I am going to use the same recipe for gorditas on these sopes. This is the way my mom and grandma did, so this is the way I do it and I really like the flavor. The chicken is marinated in an al pastor adobo sauce and stir-fried with peppers and onions for extra flavor. The refried beans are seasoned with aromatic spices and herbs, and we couldn't go without the fresh homemade salsa. I am going to show you the ingredients, and you can also find them in the description along with the recipe. See the link in the description for al pastor adobo sauce, refried beans, and gorditas. So let's begin. these sopes are so delicious. The chicken is juicy and tender and the refried beans seasoned to perfection. I really enjoy making these delicious sopes for my family and sharing this recipe with you today. I hope you get inspired to try them at home and experience the real flavors of traditional Mexican recipes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and let's cook together. Thank you for watching.